Hi guys. Now we are going to write formulas for covalent compounds. Okay, so you do need to make sure that they are covalent compounds. Remember, with covalent compounds, they consist of a nonmetal and a nonmetal. Okay, so the way that we name these guys is very similar to our ionic binaries. You name the first, you name the second, you slam ID at the back end. So this would be carbon oxide. But now this is something that we do differently. If you look on the back side of the periodic table, you have prefixes. 1 meaning mono, 2 di, 3 tri, 4 tetra. And if you look in the upper left, you'll notice they go all the way to 10. So what we have to do is look at the subscript for each element and throw the prefix on there. So for carbon, it's 1. So we wrote mono. For the second one, for oxygen, it's 2. So this would be dioxide. However, with mono, you don't necessarily need it in front of the first element, but you always need a prefix in front of the second. So this would really be carbon dioxide. If you were to put the mono, I'm not going to count it wrong. So this one would be nitrogen and oxygen, but it would be oxide. So now we look at the subscripts. 2 is di, so that's dinitrogen. 4 is tetra, so it's tetraoxide. And that's it. You will always have those prefixes on the backside of the periodic table. Okay. So now writing formulas, this makes it even easier because you don't even have to know about charges or anything. So if I have you look at diphosphorus trichloride. So phosphorus, we're talking about P. Chloride, we're talking about Cl. Now in terms of subscripts, we just look at the prefixes. So di is 2, so it's P2. Tri is 3, Cl3. That's it. It's a lot easier than ionic compounds.